Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a disability pension online in Telangana. We will cover all the crucial steps, from understanding who is eligible to gathering the necessary documents. You will learn the complete application process, whether you prefer to apply digitally or in person. This guide aims to simplify the procedure, ensuring you have all the information to successfully secure your financial support. Let's get started on this important journey together. To be eligible for the disability pension, you must first obtain a SADERM certificate, which is crucial for disability assessment. A minimum of 40% disability is generally required, though for those with hearing impairment, the threshold is 51%. Additionally, there are income criteria. Your family's annual income should not exceed 1,50,000 rupees in rural areas or 2 lakh rupees in urban areas. There is no specific age limit for this pension. Gathering the correct documents is a vital step. You will need your Aadhaar card, which serves as primary identification. The SADERM certificate is absolutely essential as it officially verifies your disability. Remember to include a recent passport-size photograph. Your bank account details, including the IFSC code, are required for pension disbursement. Additionally, ensure you have proof of your age and an income certificate to meet the scheme's criteria. Having these ready will streamline your application. Applying for the pension can be done in a couple of ways. You can visit the official website of your municipal corporation, such as the Greater Warangal Municipal Corporation, or obtain an application form from a Me Seva center. Carefully fill out the form, providing all necessary personal and disability information. Attach all your supporting documents, then submit your application. Once approved, eligible disabled beneficiaries will receive a monthly pension of 6,000 rupees, directly deposited into their bank accounts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.